So today we're going to take a look at how you can change the touch bar, basically the four icons you got. If you've got your touch bar on default, you'll have the Siri button, you'll have mute, and you'll have the audio adjust and the brightness adjust. And today we're going to take a look at how you can change those and maybe put something else on there that you want to use. So you want to open up settings, system preferences and then you want to click extensions. Once we're in extensions, you want to come down to touch bar. When we're here, you want to click Customise control strip. It's going to bring up this screen here. You won't be able to see me doing the touch bar stuff, but you can drag your mouse cursor down and you'll see that it'll highlight different buttons on the touch bar. So you just click one of them, drag it up in. So you can see I'm moving the Siri button from the touch bar, and I have there. And what I want to put in the touch bar is you can have just like one or like, you know, less than the four that they can't have more than four. You can have those. So I just want to put in this lock screen button and we're just going to drag it down into the touch bar, and you can organise the placement just by dragging it and holding it. If you want to go back to normal, just click the default and drag that down into the touch bar. If you don't and you're sorted, just click done, and that's it. That should be saved on your touch bar and ready to use. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.